Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm straightening my hair, thought I'd switch things up. I don't normally put heat on my hair. Is this hot enough? Put oil in my hair to help with like frizz. And pretty chill day, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Finished the hair. I got a PR package and I'm like so excited because I saw them post this on Instagram and I was like, I have a pink gym bag from Amazon, but not super amazing quality. I just got it because it was pink. And I saw Upper, which is my favorite place to get gym accessories, and I have a whole pink set from them. And they sent me the pink bag. I literally freaked when I saw this. So it's got these really nice durable straps. There is a big one, right? And then it comes with this big strap that is adjustable. That way you can carry it on your shoulder. It does have a pocket. At first I didn't think it had a pocket and I was like, no. Because that's usually where I put my like gym pass. But it does have like a little side pocket right here. The straps literally just buckle. Oh, it's got two. How did I not notice this? When I first opened this package, I swear I didn't see it. I'm so excited. They also have like a purple and I think a few other colors. I just love a girly gym bag. I really wish Alphalete and BUFFBUNNY like would come out with cute gym bags. Like Alphalete, they're always like camo or black, like very men vibes. But I'm like, we need girly accessories too, because I feel like they would sell really well. And who doesn't love a pink gym bag? I'm sorry, so stinking cute. Thank you so much, Upper, for sending this. And I feel like it's the perfect size. Like it's not too big, but it's not too small. My Amazon one is like massive, so I feel like I just end up losing things in there. So I really like the size. It feels good quality. Oh, this even has like an air vent, so if you want to put your stinky shoes in there, it won't stink up the bag. I think this pink is beautiful. And it's got a zipper right here to shove more crap in. But yeah, I got excited about that package. I am working out with Hailey. She's gonna be taking me through her upper body workout, but I took her through my leg day. That's on Instagram. She's leaving soon and I'm so sad. She was only here for a few months because she's a travel nurse. I wanna like vlog as much as I can with her, and yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna work out. Tonight we're going out. She's gonna have we're gonna have a little sleepover, so I'll bring you guys with me. In braids, I hate the way I look in braids. But I was like, I want them nice for when we go out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Say hi.
Hey! What's up, boo-boo?
We're gonna eat these
nasty
pre-workout gummies that taste like doo-doo.
See, the initial taste isn't bad. It's the aftertaste.
The aftertaste and it lingers. Oh, I should have brought Celsius.
It's okay. I got one at Clear Ways.
It hit fast.
That one did hit fast. Like halfway through the chew, you tasted
yeah,
the chemical.
I don't think I can finish it. No, it's fine.
You want me to take a paper towel?
I'm just gonna swallow it whole. All right, so Hailey's gonna be putting me through her back day. We're gonna do, she said, a bunch of rows. We just warmed up. Oh my God, that is nasty. I don't even think I need my mic. You think I'll need my mic?
Yeah, probably.
Even though it's quiet?
I feel like this is loud. I don't know what your camera typically does.
It's probably garbage. Y'all, I am so sad. So I went to upload these clips and apparently the mic must have not have been connected or connected properly, because none of the sound is on for any of the clips during this workout. I am so bummed, but Hailey took me through her back workout. After warming up, we started with cable seated rows.
I know I never go live. I'm a little nervy, but you know, we're here. We're doing the dang thing because Bailey inspired me. Period. We're making ramen that has 21 grams of protein, which is still, I don't know how. We're gonna see how it tastes, that's for sure. We need a pot. Where's your pots?
Did I leave the pot like this or a different type of pot?
A pot like that should work because all we need is boiled water. Look how cute this pot
Yeah,
is.
it's a little bitty pot.
She said, I cook for myself.
Wait, oh my gosh.
What?
What's the Harry Potter sound?
I don't know. I only know Lord of the Rings.
I know. No, Hermione. Wait, what is it? The rest of it?
I don't know.
No, Ron, no.
I feel like I've seen...
And it's like cartoons of them like dancing.
No, please show me again. What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Bailey.
Oh dang. Whoops, I got like protein powder.
Oh gosh.
I haven't seen Harry Potter either, but I just know the song that's been going viral on TikTok because I want it to play in the club tonight.
I love that you think.
All right, we got the pot boiling.
Let me just clarify. She turned it on low for boiling water.
I didn't want to burn the house down.
I don't know how you say this. But it's 21 grams of protein. So we're going to make the red miso spicy one for me. And then she's getting creamy chicken. And we're going to have pork belly and mushrooms and cabbage and onions. And all of this will be in mine and not in hers.
Yeah.
She does not do veggies.
I like the little corn bits.
I didn't get corn.
I think it's in here.
No, it's not.
Have you opened it?
Bailey, do you feel like there's any veggies?
Yeah, look, feel it. That's corn. Look.
You don't think that's just the ramen?
No, I'm gonna open it.
You silly kid.
All right, let's bet. Why do they put it on there?
Because it's like, that's what's typically in ramen. So I think they're like, ooh, looky, inspire. I don't know.
I really like those.
The little corn nuggies.
Yeah, I wish those were in there.
I'm sorry. I should have gotten some.
Liars!
Should have gotten some.
We gotta get the YouTube content. All right.
She does YouTube. I need to start it.
You do.
I know. She's inspired me a lot. Okay. You ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. You gotta be honest because I'm not looking at you.
I'm looking at myself. I'm like staring into my own eyeballs.
I blinked.
Wait, how long can I go? Are y'all counting? Oh, my eyes are getting dry.
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Are you dissociating? Is that how it's working?
I kind of do zone out.
No, it's because you ADHD.
Am I?
A little bit.
Yeah,
a little bit. Like Connecticut as much. Would I go to another teaching facility and get another chance to type here? She is stunning. So beautiful.
Righty, guys. I'm going to. Oh, grab yours. Let's taste test.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Vlogged it, but your girl's been behind and I've been so bad about that.
I don't like the smell. Is it the pumpkin?
Woo, girl, that's too hot.
The smell is.
Let me get the glove.
Like, this doesn't smell like the one from
Okay,
the
I was
cup.
thinking the same thing, and I do think it's pumpkin.
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
Yeah, like there's something off about the smell.
I'm kind of scared.
So this is IMMU. It's healthy ramen. It's 21 grams of protein. And we looked at the ingredients, and it's pumpkin seed protein was the #1. If it's not good, we'll get some pizza at the club or something.
I wish they sold food.
I know.
Dang.
What's that one bar that does sell good pizza?
I don't want to go back.
I don't know. They're not for our last. Okay.
They do have good pizza.
They do.
Oh.
Cheetos.
Is there lettuce in that?
That's cabbage.
Oh.
This girl.
What is this? This has no flavor.
It has no flavor.
What the heck? Cup of noodle.
You got some cup of noodle?
No. I feel like I'm chewing.
Maybe I
rubber.
put too much broth in it.
No, it's not you. It's them.
I definitely feel like if you like want ramen, because ramen is.
That's disgusting.
She just
Oh
spit it
my
out.
god. What the heck?
I feel like if you want ramen and you need to
Don't
hit
eat
protein,
this.
I don't feel like it's bad. Like because I think ramen's all about what you put in it. So like when you add that pork, I feel like you would get the pork flavor.
No, I just feel like it's. I'm not a fan. But I'm also really picky. And I understand that. So maybe others would love it. It's just not for me.
I don't hate that, but I'm not picky.
What would you rate it? 1 to 10?
Probably 5.
Mine is in the negatives. It don't taste good. I know that.
Because look, ours look completely different. I don't like the taste of that one. It's like bland. Mine has a little more spice.
I don't know how to use these. Hold on.
I feel like you're still not gonna love it, if I'm being honest. But
How do I use these?
baby,
Maybe I'll just use a fork. That's too big of a bite. It'll
I'm
mess up my
gonna.
makeup. Onion!
That's not an onion.
Wait, what was it?
It was cabbage.
Oh.
I'm trying to get just basically one noodle.
You know what? Lift it up. No. That's nasty too.
But it does taste different though, right?
I mean, yeah. I think the thing I don't like is the texture. It's like not good.
It's a thick, yeah, it's thicker.
Oh, gross. And it's like rubber. Okay guys, so I just got done going live. Me and Hailey went live. She went live on our TikTok, and then we cooked, as you guys saw, the ramen, which was not very good. But we're getting ready now. Outfit choices, I showed you guys on live if you were watching. This is from White Fox. It's this, kind of like the black one I wore in like a reel. It's this mesh one-piece jumpsuit in pink with rhinestones. I feel like I'll most likely go with this one. And then I also have this blue dress from Lucy in the Sky. It's very cute, very girly. Maybe not like club vibe, so I don't know. I do love this style from Lucy in the Sky. Anything with the lace up back. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this because when else am I gonna wear it? So yeah, I feel like this is like a dancer outfit. For like, so you think you can dance? Or dancing?
I wish they would wear that.
Dancing with the
stop it. I was just gonna push it back.
Stunning.
Yes.
Stunning.
Flowy, flowy. You know I love a little tennis skirt moment. Or I can do a little corset. So let me put that on. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. All right, I changed. The other outfit was just way too much for a Thursday night. So I'm just wearing this bolero from White Fox, Alphalete or Sculpt Bra in black, and then this skirt from Tiger Mist, and then Princess Ballet platform boots. We're gonna go, like, we're just so tired. We ended up going on live again, which took quite a bit of time, but it was fun, so. But I'm just like, I feel out of it. Like, I feel really tired. So we're just gonna end up going somewhere else. Still gonna have like a bar, but where we can get food and, oh, excuse me, and it's not like a oomps oomps vibe. So that way we still get to wear the outfit out, but we don't have to, you know, be completely miserable. Guys, today is Saturday. I didn't really film anything, didn't really do much. And now Hailey's spending the night. This is her last night, I'm so sad, but we're gonna go to dinner. All right, here's the fit. I just got off live, but the jacket is not, it just, ignore the jacket, it doesn't go with the fit obviously, but this is Lucy in the Sky. It's this beautiful dress. It's giving milkmaid vibes, but it laces up in the back and just like snatches you. It is a fancy restaurant, so I don't feel too bad wearing it. Like, I don't feel like, and if it is like I go in there and everyone's underdressed, I can just like cover myself with the jacket. But we're gonna go eat. Oh my god, a purse. Cheese. I don't know why I said cheese, but this is the best bread and butter ever.
So good.
It ought to be for our expensive meals.
I know, I was about to say it better be for our $40 meals. They're gonna think we're so cheap. We're like $40 meal.
That's a lot, girl. That's like 6 days of Starbucks.
Okay. Bread at the moment, or how are we feeling?
Oh, I feel like more of mine might be full.
I'm good, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yum.
Now this one's worth a $40
Yeah,
bag.
this is a big bowl.
I know, you got a big bowl. It looks like a seashell from a mermaid.
Lobster mac and cheese with asparagus.
Oh, girl, look at that big ass thing of lobster.
I know.
That's a true lobster mac and cheese.
Yeah, I'm about to devour.
Screw me.
Wait, what is that?
It's creme brulee, lavender creme brulee.
Oh. This is my little chocolate cake. It kind of looks like that ho-ho. Like, you know, the circle one?
She's like, it looks like a ho-ho.
Huh? You're so pretty. We just got back. We're getting ready for bed. We're gonna get ready for bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.